Last day of Winter Ehomaki. Here are the ingredients for one serving. Boiled Kampyo. Kampyo, 20 grams. Wash with water, then knead with salt to make the fibers tender. Wash the salt away with running water. Then leave in water for 20 minutes. Boil for 5 minutes. Cool in cold water, then squeeze out the water. Cut to match the width of seaweed. Water 7 milliliters. Soy sauce 1.5 tablespoon. Granulated sugar 30 grams. Mix together the 8 ingredients in a pot, then heat on medium heat. Once it starts boiling, add the kampyo to simmer until there are no liquid left. Add mirin and quickly simmer. Remove from the pot. Thick omelette. 3 eggs. Sugar 1.5 tablespoon. Soy sauce 1.5 tablespoon. Broth 4 tablespoon. Crack and beat the egg. Mix in the B ingredients. vegetable oil. Heat the omelette pan on medium heat and spread the vegetable oil. Remove excess oil with paper towel. Pour 1/3 of the egg and spread to the entire pan. Pop the bubble with the tip of the chopsticks. This will prevent the egg from ripping and makes it easier to fold. Once the outside is starting to harden, fold further, side towards to you. On the open area, spread additional oil. Bring the egg to the further end. Spread more oil on the open area. Pour in half of the leftover egg. Let it spread under the grilled egg as well. Repeat for the rest of the egg. Using the edge of the pan, cut in squares. Cut the filling ingredients: cucumber, omelette, tuna, and salmon. Cucumber, thick omelette. Half piece of tuna. Half piece of salmon. Sushi Rice. Vinegar 60 milligrams. Sugar 40 grams. Salt 10 grams. C.Kombu Seaweed 3 grams. Heat the sea ingredients in a pot medium heat. Dissolve in sugar, then pour into a bowl. Two cups of rice. Pour vinegar into cooked rice. Mix by scooping up the bottom to the top. Sushi Rice. Roasted seaweed 3. On a sushi mat, lay the seaweed. Place 150 grams of rice and spread from the front to 2/3 of the seaweed. Sakura Denbu. Kampyo. Cucumber. Tuna. Salmon. Flaked omelette. Tobikko. Hold on to the ingredients and wrap by lifting the mat. Tighten by pulling the end of the mat. Repeat for the 3 rolls. Last day of Winter Ehomaki, thick rolled sushi, 7 fillings. Again, here are the ingredients for 1 serving.